Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix the fingerprint sensor not working in your device. Of course, by this device I mean the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So the first thing that you need to do is to open the settings. Of course, before that you can try to clean the fingerprint area sensor over here with some soft cloth. I have a microfiber one. It doesn't have to be the microfiber one, but I love microfiber cloths. So yeah, but you can only do this with now. So after that, go to go to the settings and now scroll down till you see here the privacy and security. Security and privacy over here. Lock screen, draw your color and pattern like this. And here, as you can see, fingerprints. Tap it, and now what to do? Tap your fingerprint over here, tap remove, remove. Tap add fingerprint, continue, register, and now place your finger on the fingerprint sensor over here to scan it. Like this. Now it's done. Tap done and check if your fingerprint does work. If your fingerprint doesn't work still, add second fingerprint and do the same process with the same finger. So, apart from that, if it still doesn't work after that, remove the screen protector which may cause interference with your display. And that should be it for this video. If it doesn't work still for you, you need to contact device support. Goodbye.